What's up guys, this is James from Geekblog TV. I got a request on how to generate the number list for the ATT Uverse 2-wire brute force attack. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how to generate the number list that you're going to use to input into whatever password cracker you're using. So after you generate these numbers into a text file, you're either going to use something like aircrack ng or some other type of password cracking program. So let's get started. Oh, by the way, this works in Backtrack, this works in pretty much any type of Linux as long as you can open up a terminal, and if you can't do that, you should probably read up on that. So let's get started. I mean at this time. Shut up, Spicy. Alright, so starting here in the terminal, I'm going to open up a new tab. Basically what we're doing is we're trying to generate all of the phone numbers in a certain range. So let's start with my area code. My area code is 901. So that means we're going to get phone numbers like 901-777-4455. Okay, so as you can see, that's 10 digits, so it's going to be quite a hefty number list. The number list is going to be about 90 gigabytes, so I'm not going to be generating all of the 10-digit combos that you can come across. But what you can do is you can start with your just your area code. So let's say we're doing my area code. We're going to use the sequence command. We're going to use SEQ. Here, let me make this bigger for you guys. SEQ, and just to demonstrate what it does real quick, I'm going to do 1 space 1000 and then hit enter, and what it's going to do is it's going to display all the numbers between 1 and 1000. So there we go, it spits it out pretty quick. So once you get to bigger numbers, it's a little bit more involved. So let's try one for 901 000 0000 to 901 999-9999. Now, ideally, you wouldn't have to generate this entire range. What you would do is you would look up the lowest prefix in your area code and start from there. Here, I believe it is 240 is the lowest prefix we have here. So I'm going to start with 240-0000, and I think the biggest one we have is 793. So we're going to generate all the numbers that are possible for my area code, and whenever I hit enter, it's going to start counting up from each one. Well, it looks like it's working, and that's great and everything, but what do we do with all of this? Obviously, you can't feed this input into a password cracker just like this. So what we do is we go space and then waka waka, which means to paste to a new file, and then we're going to name it numberlist.crack or .text or whatever you want to name it. And then whenever we hit enter, I should probably generate a smaller number, but this is going to make a pretty big file, and if you do all the 10-digit combos, it's going to be, I believe, 90 gigabytes. So I'm not going to do it for the entire video, but I just wanted to show you guys what this does here and what the command is. So see, right there, it just looks like it's kind of blank, but it's actually working pretty hard in the background. So that we're not sitting here the entire time, I'm going to hit Control-C. Oh, look at that, it finished. Let's try it like this. LSNU asterisk, which means to list the contents of the directory for everything that starts with NU and whatever afterwards. Hit enter. There's our file name right there, just to make sure that it's in there. So we can type cat to show us the contents of the file, NU asterisk, which means anything, dot text. So anything that matches this little string is going to be spit out. Alright, so as you can see, we've generated every possible 901 phone number, and the file shouldn't really be that big. So this is a pretty good way to generate all the possible area codes, and of course, all the possible phone numbers in your area code. And the reason why we're doing phone numbers is because it is the stock practice on the 2-wire, like 2-wire 777 or 2-wire 420 or whatever. It's common practice for the lineman to use the landline phone number of the house that it's being set up for. So this is usually the default password for the Wi-Fi, and this is why we're able to crack the Wi-Fi a lot quicker than other attacks, except for like WPS or something like that. So whenever you're done, you would let's say you're using aircrack ng, it would be aircrack ng, and then it would be -w for your word list, and let's say you named it word.list, and then you would do handshake.cap. Now handshake.cap is your captured four-way handshake that you're going to be cracking against. So I hope this helps you guys out. I'm not going to walk you through the entire hack because you can pretty much figure it out from here. I pretty much spelled out the entire thing for you. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope it helps, and if you like this video, go ahead and share, like, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'll put the link to the article that I'm referencing in the comments. See ya.